Oh dear, I sure am glad you kids decided to visit the Enchanted Forest, but with Halloween night here and the full moon, I wish you hadn't, and it's all because of the devil. The devil?
The devil?
On Halloween night, when the moon is full, the devil comes into the Enchanted Forest and tries to stab any living creatures in the Enchanted Forest with his devil fork, including us talking trees. Annabelle, we've got to do something. Something fast.
Because tonight's Halloween and there's a full moon. What are we going to do?
Nobody is going to do anything. You all in the Enchanted Forest are about to be stabbed by my devil fork. And you'll never stop me.
Not so fast, you hornhead. I, Derek the Dragon, have powers too. Breathing fire.
Mommy!